Hey everyone, welcome back to your Alexa Trader. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the latest Bitcoin trading update. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this quick breakdown will help you stay ahead in this volatile market. Let's jump right in. As of right now, in late March 2026, Bitcoin is trading around $66,000 to $68,000 USD after seeing some choppy action this week. We've witnessed swings from highs near 72,000 earlier in the month, down toward the 65,000 to 69,000 range. In the last 24 hours, BTC has been down around 3 to 5% in some sessions, with 24-hour trading volume staying strong, above $40 billion. This puts Bitcoin near its one-year lows for 2026, but it's showing resilience. The market cap sits around 1.3 trillion, and overall crypto sentiment is mixed. So what's driving the price? First, Bitcoin ETFs have been a major story. We've seen periods of outflows earlier in 2026, but recent weeks have brought positive inflows, including big days with hundreds of millions flowing back in. This institutional demand is acting as a new floor for BTC, unlike previous cycles. On the macro side, concerns around interest rates, geopolitical tensions, and broader market volatility are weighing on risk assets. Bitcoin has still performed relatively well compared to some traditional markets, but it's sensitive to any shifts in liquidity or Fed signals. Don't forget the post-halving environment. Reduced new supply is a long-term bullish factor. Many analysts believe 2026 could set the stage for the next leg up as these effects compound with ETF adoption. Now, let's talk technicals for traders. Key support levels to watch. $65,000 is a psychological zone. There is stronger support around $62,000 to $60,000 if we see a deeper pullback. Holding above $69,000 would be bullish. Resistance is sitting near $72,000 to $74,000. We've tested these levels multiple times and faced rejections. A clean break above 72K with strong volume could open the door to $78,000 plus. On indicators, RSI is hovering in neutral to oversold territory, suggesting potential for a relief bounce. Short-term outlook. Expect volatility. We could see a local bounce if inflows continue, but consolidation remains possible. For your trading plan on your Alexa Trader style, scalpers and day traders, look for range-bound opportunities. Look for opportunities between 65K and 72K. Use tight stops and watch volume spikes. Swing traders, wait for confirmation above resistance or a solid hold at support. Risk management is key. Long-term holders, this dip could be an accumulation zone. Dollar cost average if you're bullish on Bitcoin. Always use proper risk management. Only trade what you can afford to lose and stay updated with real-time charts. To wrap it up, Bitcoin is in a consolidation phase, battling macro headwinds but supported by ETF flows. What do you think? Is BTC bottoming here, or do we test lower? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if this update helped. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.